So the last thing is the order of logical operations. The order of logical operations. So, for example, if you have a statement like this, not P or Q, which one comes first? Negation comes first or comes first? Is this not P or Q, or is this not P or Q? Which case is this? When it comes to statements like this, between negation and or, negation comes first. So take a look at this. Not P or Q. It means that you have the negation of P first and then combine it with Q using or. The same as here, not P and Q. If the question says you already have parentheses involved, it means that your quantity is inside parentheses. Here, you're applying the De Morgan's laws. This is equivalent to not P and not Q. This guy is equivalent to not P and, let me write this as and, we already have the and after. So here and Q, then it's going to be not P or not Q. So instead of writing not P inside parentheses, you're just going to write it as not P or Q. It's already understood that when you have not, the negation next to a statement, that belongs to that statement. So instead of using parentheses, you're just going to write it as not P and Q. It's already understood not belongs to P. However, if you have parentheses, it means that it's already inside the parentheses. The quantity that you're working with, the compound statement that you're working with is already inside the parentheses. So in general, when it comes to the order of logical operations, the first priority is for any grouping symbols, like parentheses, or if you have brackets, and so on. Then negation. If you have any grouping symbols, work with the quantities inside the grouping symbols. If you're done with that, or if you don't have any grouping symbols, take a look at the negation. The negation comes first. It takes the priority. The third one is and or. So you need to evaluate and or then. And finally, you're going to work with implication and biconditional. So if you have something like this statement, P and Q implies R, it means that it's not Q then R, it's P and Q. This is the same as P and Q then R. It means that you need to find the values for P and Q, then R. It takes the priority.